make a do-it-yourself black cat Halloween costume. You'll use your own black top and pants and make a mask, collar, and tail. Gather your supplies up and be creative. You can shift around with what you have, even using recycled materials. Fold your fabric and cut about 2.5 inches wide and about 2 feet long. Pin the edge and taper that end off on one end so it looks like the end of a tail. You can either hand or machine sew this together, and you can even ask a friend to do that if you needed to, if they have a machine. You'll turn it inside out. I like using a pencil, obviously, and then you'll loosely stuff it with filling or whatever you have that will work. It won't be seen, but make it loose so that it flexes. Turn down the end about 1.5 inches and stitch that down, leaving a kind of a casing that you can put a ribbon through that you'll use to tie the tail around the waist, and you are done with that part. Woohoo! Next, we're going to make a mask. You can use the free mask pattern that is on a post that I made earlier, and the link is below. Cut out the mask pieces and then glue the little decorations on that make it look like a cat. You can use craft foam, or you could use cardboard and use markers if you needed to. You can tie it on with ribbon or attach it to a craft stick. Boom, your mask is done. If you don't have craft foam, you could use cardboard and staple them onto a headband and then draw the nose and whiskers on, or use face paint. Lastly, we'll cut a circle to make a collar tag. I like making an initial on it, poke a little hole and put thread on that you can tie it on the ribbon, and then boom, you are done. Wasn't that easy? So now just get dressed in black and tie these things on and you're ready to go. A do-it-yourself black cat Halloween costume, done in under an hour. All the tips and tricks are on welcometonanas.com. Come join the fun.